mock test 5 1 to 15 questions video continuation directions questions 16 to 19 I want to explain you. Okay, so on see the 16th question. So now here circle, triangle and square is given, but here some letters are also given, but here representation also given, but in that triangle is represent women in village and square is represent unemployed woman and circle is indicated as educated woman. So based on that, based on the given information, so now I want to explain 16th question. So 16th one is educated employed woman in the village represented by educated woman. Educated woman means what? Circle. But in that circle, in that circle, so which is it is represented. So now they need to ask the educated employee woman in village. Woman in a village and educated woman means triangle and circle is representation is nothing but G will be there. So that is about 16th one answer. Okay. So next 17th one is what does letter D represent? D. So this D represents square and triangle intersection part. What is the square? Square is nothing but unemployed woman and a triangle is nothing but woman in a village. So options are option A uneducated woman in a village, no, and option B unemployed woman in a village who are not educated, yes, who are not educated, remaining these two intersection means so that is nothing but option 2 is the correct. What is that? Unemployed woman in a village who are not educated. Okay, so triangle and triangle and so which is related to square but does not circle. Okay, next. So next 18th one is educated unemployed women in a village are represented by. So it is nothing but so these three are related here. What is there? It is nothing but E. So 18th one option is E. What is given? Educated unemployed woman in a village means all the three intersection part is nothing but E. So that is about 18th one. So 19th one is educated unemployed woman represented by educated unemployed, educated and unemployed. So means here both the intersection means here one of the part is E and F. E and F is represented. What is given? Educated unemployed woman. Okay, so means these two are intersection, but some other intersection also will be there, but these two are educated unemployed. Intersection part is these two means E and F. So this is about 16 to 19 questions. So next I am going to okay. So next 20 to 20 questions direction questions are. So this is the representation diagram. But here circle, triangle, square and rectangle, here four geometrical figures are there. So the four geometrical figures are indicated. So these are, so means circle is represent educated and square is represented hardworking, triangle represents urban and rectangle represents honest people. So based on that, I will give the 20th question. So what is the 20th question? Okay, so people who are educated, hardworking and honest but not urban represented by, but not urban. So remove urban, remaining three indicated part, but urban is nothing but where it is triangle only, no. So urban is represented as triangle only, but here who are people? Educated means circle and hardworking is nothing but circle, next square and next one more thing is honest is nothing but rectangle So except triangle means that is nothing but 9. Okay, so 20th question is 9. Okay, so similarly next one is hardworking people who are uneducated and dishonest and urban represented by. Okay, uneducated. What is where is uneducated? Uneducated means except circle. Educated means circle. Sorry, uneducated is nothing but except circle. So the next next dishonest. Honest means rectangle, no, except rectangle, circle, rectangle, remove it. So then next urban. Who are urban? Urban is nothing but triangle only, no. So which one how to represent? Represented means see once that is nothing but here representation is only it will be 3 only. Okay, so that's why 21st one is 3. Next 22nd one. So 22nd question is non-urban educated people who are neither honest nor hardworking are represented by. Okay, so which one? Just you need to take here non-urban. Non-urban means remove triangle. Okay, non-urban educated people. Educated people means circle. Who are neither honest nor means only for circle represented means it is nothing but 7. So these are the based on this directions question, 3 questions solutions. Okay. So next I am going to explain 23rd. So next directions questions 23 to 25. So based on this, here completely here 4 Venn diagrams are given. This circle represents history. This circle represents geography. This circle represents science, and this circle represents mathematics. So based on the 4 circles, now I am explaining for 23rd question. So simply the number of students who took any 3 of the above subjects. Any 3 of the above subjects means here 3 subjects in intersection part. This circle, this circle, this circle part intersection. So what will be there? So means here 18, here 18, here 13, here 18, here also 13. Okay, so like that. So then that's why it is 23rd question is nothing but 18 plus 13 plus 18 plus 13. So then you will get so answer is 62. 62. So that is nothing but option 1 is the answer. So the next 24th question is the number of students in total who took history or mathematics or science was. Okay, only the 3 subjects, history, mathematics and science. But what are the 3 related? See here 9 plus 14 plus 18 plus 15 plus 16 plus 13 plus 12 plus 20 plus 18 plus 13 plus 16 plus 19 is equals to complete is nothing but 183 is the answer. 183. So that all the 3 are represented but except 1 is removed. So then you will get 183 is the answer. Next 25th question is the number of students who took both history and geography among other subjects was. Okay, both history and geography, but how many are there? History and geography. History and geography. So these 2 related. History and geography. So what are the intersections what you need to take here? So here 20 is there and again 18 is there. Next 13 and 12 also will be there. So that is nothing but 25th one is nothing but 20 plus 13 plus 12 plus 18, that is nothing but 63. Okay, 63. So that is option 2. Okay, these are the questions for Venn diagrams, directions questions 23 to 25. So next I am going to explain 26th question. So next direction questions are 26 to 30 questions. So these are the 5 options are given. So based on the Venn diagram, so which is the first, for example, each question, which is the suitable diagram you need to identify. The first one is, so this is nothing but 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, right? So 26 question is mineral, copper, aluminum. Mineral, copper, aluminum. So copper is one of the mineral and aluminum is also one of the mineral. These two are called as minerals, means which one is suitable here? Fourth figure is suitable. Okay. So next 27th one is Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So these three are different planets, but they never meet at any time. So that's why these three circles are never meet, means that is nothing but third one is the answer. So next, so similarly, next 28th one is week, month, year. Week, month, year means, but in the week is there in the month and the month is there in the year. So means which is the suitable, means your fifth option is suitable. Week, month, year, right? Okay. So next 29th one is dancers, singers and players. So dancers, singers, players. Suppose some dancers are players, some dancers are singers. Means some means intersection part. All the three intersection part is needed. So that's why second option is suitable. And so the next animalia, insects and birds. Okay, but insects and birds, these all are called as animalia. So that's why fourth option is the correct. So now this math mock test 5 solutions 1 to 30 are completed for 2 videos. So everybody watch the 2 videos, then completely 30 solutions you got clearly, that each and every hints and everything. Okay, students. So this is about my mock test 5 video. Okay, I wish you all the best, students. Thank you.